Hello friends, today we will start the dissection of the skull. For this we have done a marking on the skull. Just above the eyebrows 1 centimeter we had taken an incision on the skull. After taking incision we had cut this with the saw, chisel and hammer, and we now will separate the skull cap. See, like this. This is the skull cap. Now you are able to see this is the endocranium. This is the inner table of the skull. This is outer table of the skull. This is the diploid. The inner table and outer table are made of the compact bone, and the intermediate area, that is the diploid, is made up of the spongy bones. Here you are able to see the emissary openings of the veins. These veins communicate with these sinuses which are formed in the dura mater. The emissary veins are the veins which will connect the outer veins, that is the superficial veins of the scalp, to the venous sinuses. They pass through this emissary foramen and they enter the sinuses. These veins don't have valves. They open against the direction of the blood. Now after removing the skull cap, you are now able to see this is the dura mater.